Welcome to our 5S workshop overview. Today, we're diving into a powerful method to enhance your workplace. 5S stands for sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Step 1. Sort. This means removing all unnecessary items from your workspace. A clean workspace can improve productivity by up to 20%. Step 2. Set in order. Arrange the items you need so they're easy to find. Visual management helps in organizing items efficiently. Step 3. Shine. Keep everything clean and functioning well. Regular cleaning can prevent equipment breakdowns, saving time and money. Step 4. Standardize. Develop methods to maintain the first 3 steps. Standardized procedures ensure consistency and efficiency. Step 5. Sustain. Make maintaining these practices a habit. This discipline leads to fewer defects and higher quality in production. In summary, 5S creates a safer, more efficient workplace. Our workshops will guide you through each step. We will customize the training to suit your environment, and we'll facilitate implementation. Contact EMS Consulting Group to transform your work environment and boost productivity.